Hey everyone, so here we have Nespresso Lattissima Touch. Yes, we are going to make longo on this using these capsules, which are new ones. Intensity is 5, which is not very high, and then we are going to make the longo using the other machine, which is Nespresso Cretista Plus. Okay, so you will see which one looks better. So let's turn on. We have to wait for a few seconds. So it's ready now. Let's open this, add the pod, close it, and longo. Oh, the smell, you cannot resist. Now here it is, ready to go, and we are gonna make the same longo using Cretista Plus. Okay,